Hi, I'm Zahraa, and I'll be your teacher today. Today, we'll be talking about the present progressive tense, which can also be referred to as the present continuous tense. It's a very simple and basic tense, yet it's most commonly used throughout our daily basis. So let's begin. Let's start out with the uses. The present progressive tense is mainly used to express something that is temporary, something that's not permanent or not stable. So as you can see on our timeline here, this is an action. So that action started in the past, got progressing for some time, till this very minute. It's still progressing now, and then will take time, then finish in the future. So, as you can see here, something that began in the past still continues to the present and will definitely end in the future. Let's take an example. Sarah is sleeping. So let's say she's taking a nap. So she started some time ago, maybe an hour or two. She will be sleeping in this minute, then she will definitely wake up in the future. She won't be sleeping forever. They are studying. As we're doing right now, we're studying. So we started some time ago, we got our pens, we started explaining, we'll take some examples and some stuff, then we'll finish. We'll finish in the future, so it's progressing right now and we'll definitely finish in the future. Nobody studies forever, right? Let's move forward to the form of the present progressive tense sentence. Let's start with the affirmative form of the sentence. The affirmative form is the very simple form. We start with the subject, then verb to be in the present form, which is am, is, or are. And we choose which one of them depending on the subject. So if the subject is I, we choose am. If the subject is he, she, or it, or any singular subject, we choose is. And if the subject is they, we, or you, or any plural subject, we choose are. Then we have our main verb in the present participle form of the verb, which is the form that ends in ing. Let's take some examples. I'm staying at a hotel. Staying at a hotel is always something that's temporary because everyone has their home, right? Staying at a hotel is something that happens when you're traveling maybe, so it's something that happens for a week, 3 days, a fortnight, etc. She is writing a novel. So writing a novel means she is generally writing it. She's writing it around now. So started some time before, and she can take months to finish it. So it's something that is generally in progress. They are having lunch. So they're eating it. They can be eating it for their whole life. It can be something permanent, something that's temporary, something that takes some 30 minutes, maybe an hour, etc. Let's move forward to the negative form of the sentence. The negative form is exactly like the affirmative one, we just add not after the helping verb to be. So let's see. I'm not staying at a hotel. She is not eating right now. We can also contract it and write she isn't eating right now, like that with the apostrophe. They are not traveling this year. We can also contract it and write it aren't that way. Okay, let's move forward to the question form. First, we have yes or no questions. Yes or no questions start with the helping verb, which is verb to be, am, is, or are, then the subject, and then the verb with ing. So, are they playing tennis? If you're answering me, you'll say, yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Is the cat sleeping? We answer with, yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Is John working? Same thing, we answer with, yes, he is, or no, he isn't. And now we have the WH question form. We start with the WH question word, then am, is, or are, depending on our subject, then the subject and the verb in ing. So let's take some examples. Where are you traveling this year? As you can see here, this is something that is generally in progress. It doesn't have to be happening right now, but it's in progress in this duration. How is she doing lately? Where are we having dinner today? And that's all for today. I hope you understood this lesson and see you soon in the next one. Bye!